Hello guys, and welcome to this episode. I'm gonna name it something close to 1 year return or along this, I don't know. But anyway, the agenda for today, if you've been following my channel, I have done extensive documentation of Fundrise and Diversy Fund, and wanting to do a comparison, which one is better, which one is not, how are they paying, and so forth. So now it's been officially 1 year, and I finally have both of the data from Fundrise and Diversy Fund. So let's get in. Okay, so as you all know, I have put in $1,000 in my Diversy Fund. If we can look at the transaction in my portfolio, and I have put in twice, $500 each. One is October 2020, another one is in July of 2020, last year, and right now is October 2021. So it's kind of perfect, more or less, time to do 1 year comparison, because I can basically combine this whole $1,000 with my Fundrise portfolio that I've been invested since 2017. Okay, let's get in. So I took the liberty of basically creating Excel sheet, and just a very simple math, where what I have done is that I have taken this $22.53 dividend that they have paid me this since October, and then divide it against my $500 and see how that return is. So let's get here. So here's Fundrise, here's my July one, right? They have only paid me July 2020 to July 21. They have only paid me $21.52. I put initially $500, then the return came out to be 4.304%. The one that October one is a bit better. That October 2020 to October 2021 is 4.46. If we combine both of these, right, both of these distribution that they have paid me, even though I can't really take it out, but anytime dividend is paid, is assumed that it's kind of the investor's money, so that's what I'm going off of. Can't really take the appreciation, because until they sell it and give me the money, there's no way to kind of calculate anything. So here combined is $52.77, and $1,000, that puts me to 5.27% year to date. Okay, and then I'm going to show you my Fundrise, and then I'm going to explain to you the Fundrise is a bit different. Here's my Fundrise. It shows me that I have I'm their core member, right? I put in about close to $1,000. This appreciation thing really throws me off. I don't know why they do that, but okay. Advisory fees is fine. They want to show you, they want to be transparent. I really like how you can take out the money every quarter and stuff, right? Overall, Fundrise is a bit more, I would say, intuitive. Let's put it that way. Anyway, so what I have done here is, if I go under the transaction, since I put in $1,000 in two different times, I started with $500, and then I put in again at $450 sometime. So I counted all of these and just basically divided into two. So because they don't give you monthly, right, they don't separate which one are they paying, just like Fundrise, they're really separating which portfolio. I guess they create separate portfolio at that point of time, so you'll have a little bit more breakdown. In here they combine it into one, so you gotta really divide by two, because I really more like I spent it $950, but let's just round it to 1,000. Why the hell not? Since I've been invested in 2017, and my dividend already actually covered by the time I got to that point. Okay, so we'll do that same comparison So technically, Fundrise has better return. In October 2020 of this month, they coming out to be 5.582%. July 1, if we do the same comparison, right, it's 5.006. Overall, 5.294. So I would say that both of them are very close competition, because if you're getting 5.2 and 5.77, it's not that much of a difference. The only difference is, I would at this point, is that option for redemption and the portfolio. If you really like REIT, privately REIT, they are really good, because then your money is not closely tied as to stock market, right? You're essentially in more like a partner in these deals. So, for me, I'm okay getting this kind of return, simply because I don't think I can definitely get more for my return, but I do not want to take a risk, right? It's all about risk and how much work I'm willing to do. So at 5 point, and I don't have to do anything, and they're appreciating, they're managing their money, it's fine. At this point, I would say if I had more money, I would probably put in Fundrise, simply because Fundrise seems to have better UI compared to this Diversy Fund. One of the things I really like about Fundrise is because they give you that quarterly or monthly or weekly, sometimes you'll say email, and they'll update you what's going on. With Fundrise, not so much. I feel like I'm invested in like a black box, more or less, even though if you can go to their website and you can look at it, and it's not that many things that I'm, I guess, invested in, I feel like. So whereas Fundrise is a lot more. However, I would not discourage either one of them. I would say try both portfolio if you are looking into it, because Fundrise actually also has this $10 now, I believe, that you can, if you have $10, you can invest in. So I would invest in both of these platforms. They're very solid platform. I like it. I'm gonna be invested in both of these. I would probably put more money in, maybe no more than $10,000 either one of them. After that, I think is putting too much risk of having that much money into one account. Now, if I had millions of dollars, right? I'm just like you guys. I invest in my money in maybe hundreds of dollars, not in even thousands of dollars. So for some people out there, right, where they're dealing with thousands or millions of dollars, right, they have YouTube ad or whatever other corporation selling you that their course, and they're just taking your money. So that kind of, I don't do that. So I don't have that kind of money. So I'm just sharing my experience. I want to thank you for following. If you made it this long, if you can, please like the video and subscribe, and if you can share it, tell your friend. I would appreciate it. Believe it or not, I actually find it very enjoyable making these videos. So I would say this is certainly has been new hobby. I don't know if I ever will make money, but besides that, I definitely want to keep this free and open kind of platform. Is in the future, maybe another 2-3 years before I'll start to monetize. I don't know, something like that. Until then, enjoy the free stuff. Thank you.